With this exercise, we're really going to focus on strengthening the back of your shoulders and also just activating those. They often get turned off when we're on our phones or desk all day and we're really hunched. So we're trying to fire all those muscles on our back again. We're going to use a TRX strap and we're going to pivot off our heels into a plank position. The farther your feet are forward, the harder it is. You really don't want this to be too extremely hard. Like I said, we're just trying to activate all of those back muscles. You're going to start by leaning back with your elbows at a 90-degree angle, kind of like a touchdown sign, and you're going to press your hands to the ceiling. Notice that your elbows and wrists should stay to the side of your body. What's going to happen is you're going to want to kind of pull them forward because these back muscles are turned off. You're going to try to keep them all in line with your body. If you cannot, then you need to scoot your feet back to make it a little bit easier. And then as you get stronger, you can move your feet forward. Try not to arch your low back when you're doing this. It's going to be instinct for you to try to use your hips to get your hands above your head, but you want your body to be in a straight plank position.